This hurricane season, we could well run out of names. Latest update from the National Hurricane Center is calling for an extremely active hurricane season. Basically, right now, we've had such a record-breaking pace so far, and we're heading towards the peak of the season, which is mid-August to late October, that we could be seeing above normal activity as we go through the next few months. In fact, they're raising the number of named storms from 19 to 25 named storms possible for this year. 7 to 11 could be hurricanes, and 3 to 6 could be major hurricanes. This is well above the long-term average. In fact, as we look at the names that we did pull out for 2020, we could well be seeing going into the Greek alphabet by the end of this season if that forecast holds true. Could be getting alpha, beta, gamma, delta or epsilon as we did back in 2005. But right now across the Atlantic, it's pretty quiet, but the seas out there are very warm, 29, 30 degrees Celsius in places. We also have had lots of rainfall across in Africa. The African monsoon has seen double the amount of rainfall that we usually get. And also we have a warmer air which is likely to hold all of that moisture. So those are the conditions alongside a developing La Nina that could well see activity begin to blossom through this area. But right now it's pretty quiet. There's a couple of tropical waves coming through, and one of those tropical waves will be coming by overnight, bringing a few showers from time to time, and also through the weekend, possibly late Saturday going into Sunday. So overnight, you may still see 1 or 2 flashes of lightning, especially towards the first part of your evening. Into the latter half, just occasional showers are expected. And again, through your Friday morning, there will be some sunshine, but the daytime heating will spark those showers, especially across the hillsides of Tobago. So be mindful about that. For us here in Trinidad, along the Gulf of Paria, there's still a few thunderstorms erupting, especially towards that northwestern corner. We should gradually see settling of those conditions overnight. As we go through your Friday morning, sunny spells for the most part, but then you'll notice the clouds building, showers developing as well, especially towards those western areas of Trinidad and through central and southern areas as well. Look for scattering of showers once we get that daytime heating going through the heat of the afternoon. Now tonight, looking at lows of 24 degrees Celsius in Trinidad, 25 in Tobago, 32 expected across most areas, possibly 33 in Trinidad. Now on Saturday, we'll see a bit of a break, and then we see that tropical wave coming by Saturday night going into Sunday. That will likely bring a lot of those showers turning heavy or thundery into your Sunday. And then we'll see the ITCZ lingering into early next week. So you could well be seeing spells of rain and showers not only through Sunday, but continuing into Monday. Heading offshore for boaters as well as bathers, notice the winds will freshen from the southeast at 20 knots, bringing moderate choppy seas at 2 meters following that tropical wave. And then we'll see the winds still quite fresh as you go through late Saturday and going into Sunday, turning quite breezy by the end of the weekend following the second tropical wave. Now for the Greater Antilles, we've been seeing mostly settled weather so far. It's a touch windy out there in Jamaica, all courtesy of the low pressure towards the south and that Atlantic high pumping all of that wind across the central Caribbean. Out towards Eastern Caribbean, behind that tropical wave, there's some sunshine around, but still 1 or 2 passing showers across the southern Windward Islands. And then down towards Georgetown, the intertropical convergence zone will be with them, so they will be seeing some showers, possibly some longer spells of rain, definitely through the weekend and into early next week. So that's your weather, and that's it from me.